Good morning, children. Today in English literature, let us take page number 74. Page 74. So yesterday I explained to you that how this particular little goat named Snowflake was crying, and then this particular girl, Hedy, comes over there and she tries to console this little goat. And she says that you don't worry, my dear little snowflake, I will be coming every day and I will support you, I will accompany you, I will help you. So, in this way, she is somewhat telling this snowflake to keep quiet or to stop crying. Today, let us take the third paragraph. All of a sudden, Peter leaped at his feet and ran hastily after the goats. So, immediately, what Peter did, because this goat had gone away from the crowd or from the other members, so immediately Peter leaped here, jumped. Immediately Peter jumped to save that particular goat. So all of a sudden Peter leaped to his feet and ran hastily, hurriedly. Immediately, Peter is running to save that goat. Hastily ran after the goats. He dashed through the middle of the flock towards that side of the mountain where the rocks fell to a great depth below. He dashed. He ran quickly and hurriedly, dashed. Ran quickly and hurriedly. Peter ran immediately in order to save that particular goat, otherwise, the goat would have fallen down the valleys, or it would have gone down and it would have died. So he dashed through the middle of the flock. See, whole flock, group of goat flock, in other words, we can say herd or group of goats. So immediately this particular Peter ran to save this particular goat. Next slide. He dashed through the middle of the flock towards the side of the mountain. He is running from side of the mountain so that he will also not fall down, and therefore he wants to save this particular little goat from danger. Next slide. If it went too near, might fall over and break all its legs. So if this particular goat would have fallen, this particular goat would have broken all its legs and limbs and other body parts, because it was too high and this particular goat was in danger. Therefore, now he has to save it. Next slide. He had caught sight of the inquisitive green flinch taking leaves in that direction, and he was only just in time, for the animals had already sprung to the edge of the abyss. See here, uh, he caught sight of the see. He was able to see, or he saw those animals going away from the group or from the other members. So, see, he immediately saw it, and then he was very eager to know. See, inquisitive meaning is curious. Inquisitive. 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 In other words, he was curious, or he was eager to save it, to save this particular goat from death. So he had caught sight of the inquisitive green flinch taking leaps. It was jumping, taking leaps in that direction. So this green flinch was going, and it had to jump the valley from one side to the other side. And he saw only just in time, and immediately he saw that particular animal. For the animal had already sprung, jumped, already it had jumped. So immediately he caught the behind legs. See, for the animal had already sprung to the edge of the abyss. Abyss here, deep downward slopes from the edge of a mountain. So it was a slope. See, abyss, a slope. It was a very big slope in the hill. So this particular goat had jumped, but immediately Peter caught behind, and it saved this particular green flinch. So, dear children, we will continue. Thank you very much to everyone.